Parents and children of all ages, the Colleton County Memorial Library presents Homeschool Action.
Come on everybody, friends one and all, let's come together, let's break down those walls. We're gonna listen and we're gonna learn, having fun all the way. Somebody said, let's listen and learn together. Let's sing and learn forever. Let's listen and learn together. Let's sing and learn forever. Let's listen, learn together. Let's listen, learn forever. Let's read and learn. I'm excited. Boys and girls, welcome back. Miss Jessica is here for our final art, very basic art lessons.
Yes.
And we're excited, Miss Jessica, because I've learned so much these few months.
Oh, we're going to find out just how much you have learned.
Okay.
Because today, boys and girls, we're going to do a review. But our student is going to be Miss Shiela. So I'm going to ask her all the questions that I would normally ask you.
Oh no.
Oh, yes.
I gotta represent. Okay, I'll try to do you good. All right?
Okay. Now, we have a little poster here with lines and shapes.
Ooh.
So I'm going to point to the line and you're going to tell me what type of line it is. Okay, now boys and girls, we're going to have Miss Shiela review all of what we covered for you, and she's going to answer the questions rather than you having to answer them. Okay, Miss Shiela, what type of line is this?
That is a curve.
That's right. And what is this?
That is a wavy line.
Okay, and it is also
Curly line?
a curve.
A curve.
The line just keeps curving around and around. What about this line?
That is a slanted line.
And what's it called as well as a slanted line?
Diagonal.
Very good, yes. And this line?
That is horizontal line.
Yes. What helps you remember that? If you look outside, you will see, especially at the beach, the horizon, the difference between the land and the air. So when you see that horizon, you know lines that go that way are horizontal.
Love it.
What about this one?
That is straight up and down, and I love taking pictures, Miss Jessica, in portrait. So I'll know that portrait is vertical.
That's right. And this final line?
Oh, that looks like a zigzag.
That's exactly what it is. Now we're going to look at our shapes.
Okay.
What is this shape?
Ooh, you know that, right? Okay, I'm feeling their vibes. Circle.
Yes. Wonderful. I think she paid attention while we were doing this. What about this one down here?
That is a rectangle.
And this is,
Boys and girls, I need those vibes again. Come on, give them to me. Square.
yes, this one.
Ooh, triangle.
Yes. And this one.
Okay, now that one's harder. Give me some vibes, people.
We didn't tell you that. We just said it was among the group that's called a polygon. So this particular polygon,
I was gonna count sides.
just count the sides.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it a sexagon?
It's called a hexagon.
Hexagon. I always mix up the octagon, the hexagon,
Yeah.
but 6 is hex.
6 is hex.
H-E-X,
Yes,
boys and girls.
H-E-X. hexagon. Okay, now that takes care of our lines and shapes. The next lesson we had was about color. What are the first colors? The first three colors, the only ones we cannot make.
What are they called?
What are their names? What are the?
Are they primary colors?
They're primary colors, and what are those three colors?
Oh, okay. So, may I hold that?
You certainly
I
may.
get to hold the pointer. All right, so we have blue, yellow, and red.
Okay, and what are the other three colors called?
You mean the green, the purple, and the orange?
That's right.
They're called secondary colors.
Wonderful. And how do we get those secondary colors?
Think. I know. I remember what you said. You have to mix the primary colors to get the secondary colors.
That's right. So what primary colors do you mix to get purple?
Okay, so you mix blue and red to make purple.
That's right. What about the orange?
Ooh. Do you remember, boys and girls? Come on, send me those vibes. Okay, wait. I'm feeling them. They're saying red and yellow makes orange.
They are right. And what about the green? How do we get a green color?
You know what? I never understood how green, so pretty and vibrant, comes from blue and yellow.
Well, yellow's pretty vibrant.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's why green is so bright and vibrant.
Yes.
I know it's Allie's favorite color.
It's mine too.
Really?
Yes, it is.
Well, I love all of
See,
them.
we're going to learn how to draw one great big animal using the letters and the lines, or as we say, shapes and lines.
Okay. Is this going to be like a test?
No, this is just for fun.
Oh.
So I want all of you to get your piece of paper and your pencil. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a horizontal line and we're going to do a curved line touching from one end to the other. What do you think that might be?
This has the shape of a turtle. This has the neck of a swan.
That's right.
This has a pointer of a snake or a lizard. And this has a tail of a dragon, so I'm not sure.
Okay. Now we're going to make a curved line here, and we're going to make a curved line here. We're going to do a whole bunch of triangles. Like that dragon, boys and girls?
Did you do it just like Miss Jessica?
You know, you don't have to. You can use your imagination and change the shape of your dragon a little bit. You can have him with his mouth closed and maybe some teeth sticking down over his bottom jaw. You can make his eyes bigger and meaner looking. You can make these teeth bigger if you want. You can make his wings bigger. and his tail smaller. It's all up to you because, boys and girls, you are the artist.
Miss Jessica, it's been a pleasure working with you, and I'm looking forward to next semester, which starts in January, boys and girls, of 2021. Miss Jessica, you're coming back.
Oh yes, I'm going to be back, and we're going to talk about words and how we put them together in sentences, what they are called, like a noun or a verb, and the traffic signals that we need to have when we are reading to tell us when to stop, when to pause, and when to go, or when to be excited.
That sounds like language, and I can't wait.
It is. It's called language arts.
Well, can't wait. Thank you, Miss Jessica.
You are welcome.
My name is Chelcey Edwards. I am the author of I Am Blessed, the new release copy that's issuing out this December. I am also a speech pathologist. I was born and raised in Walterboro, South Carolina. I graduated from the illustrious HBCU, South Carolina State University, with my bachelor's and master's degree in speech language pathology. And I'm also the founder of Jules Funbox, where you can get my new book, I Am Blessed. Jules Funbox is created to enrich the minds of children, creating resources and materials for teachers, parents, and therapists. What I would like for children to get from this book is for naming, identifying body parts, and apply it to everyday life. Here's an excerpt from the book. I brush my teeth, click, click, there goes my teeth, clean and white like yummy marshmallow cheese. Oh, how I wiggle and giggle as I show my teeth. I am blessed. If you're wondering how long it took me to write this book, it was approximately a year. Now, if you would like a copy, you can always go to my website, www.julesfunbox.com, or Amazon.
Every day we learn something new. It was nice to talk and read to you. Glad that we came together, and thankful for your smiling face. We sang, we laughed, we danced, we played. Miss Shiela, so glad you shared your day.